This is the ALAMPEVER 60 watt equivalent LED chandelier bulbs. Comes in a 12 pack. Let's take it out of the box. In this case, we're actually not going to take them out of the box directly. I'll pull one and show you. You will notice there are 3 missing, and that's because I've already taken those out and installed them in one of my lamps here in the house, which I'm going to be showing you a little bit later. Comes very well packaged with this plastic thing over it like that so they don't go anywhere. Here is the bulb itself. Now, I'm going to tell you a bit about this. First of all, it's a filament LED, as you see right there. This particular bulb is a 60 watt equivalent using only 4.5 watts. It has an E12 base. That's a candelabra style base, smaller than a regular light bulb. This is the little skinny ones. If you got a lamp that takes bulbs like this, chances are very good it takes this kind of base. If you're still not sure, if you have C7 Christmas bulbs, same type of base on those, just like that. The light output from these is 2700K soft white. They're 450 lumens in brightness. And these bulbs are also dimmable with many of the common wall dimmers that people already have out there. There's not much more to say about these bulbs. You want to see it on. So let's go test it out. Now it's still a little bit light outside. It's kind of getting to be dusk, but certainly you'll get the point across with how these bulbs perform. On the package it claims that they're instant on. We're going to test that right now. I'm very picky with bulbs. These are not instant on. They're a couple of milliseconds away from instant on. Very close, and 99.99% of people won't even care. But that is one thing I wanted to point out. If you're sensitive to that, then indeed there is a short delay. Soft light output, certainly not bad. And this is on a dimmer as well. So I'm going to dim it down very slow. I'm just working my way down. And you'll see they do get really pretty dim before they will go out completely. They are still glowing. And probably just a little beyond that, they're going to go out. That actually is at the bottom of my dimmer right there. So certainly really dim. One thing that unfortunately you cannot duplicate with LED bulbs as compared to an incandescent is the color of light output. As you dim an incandescent bulb, it goes from 2700K approximately further down the line to an even warmer and warmer tone. And you do not get that with LEDs. Even this, which is maybe 30% brightness, they're 2700K up and down the dial here. They're not going to get warmer and warmer, but that is a function of all LED bulbs. We're going to brighten that back up. We'll start once again all the way at the bottom, and we'll work our way up slowly. Of course, the camera is adjusting for this. It dims pretty nicely with the dimmer I have. I don't know precisely what type of dimmer this is. It's just whatever the house had. It could be a Lutron. It might be a Leviton. I don't know what it is. It's just your standard off-the-shelf big box store dimmer for, you know, $8.99 they were back in the day. They're probably $27.99 now. But it works with it. Is it absolutely linear? It does have a very sharp drop-off at the top, but again, all the way down they are still lit. and we'll brighten up. You see how it had a big jump there as I go. So it's not exactly linear as we go unless I go very, 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 very slow with the dimmer. And even there still, you can do it, but there's still a big jump in places. They do go nice and bright. They put out a reasonably good light for what it is. They are a little stark to look at. They're bright, they're 60 watt equivalent, so you don't want to be staring at that, just like you don't want to be staring at the sun. But otherwise, once again, these are the ALAMPEVER 12 pack of LED candelabra base bulbs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.